Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Saturday, November 30th. High pressure will continue to remain in place across Southeast Idaho, leading to an extended stretch of quiet and dry weather. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today. No big changes from yesterday. High pressure still looks to remain overhead well into next week as we see those dry and quiet weather pattern continue. What this means for us will be cold mornings with some patchy fog possible, but other than that, highs each day in the 30s, 40s, and 50s, trending a bit warmer heading into next week. But then again, no big changes are expected heading into that time frame. Temperatures gradually warm, and there's the potential for a pattern shift change looking towards late next week into early the following week. Still a ways out on that, but I'll be showing you some of the potential there later in the presentation. And taking a quick look at satellite for you this morning, mostly clear skies across the Great Basin. As you can see, moisture streaming up and over this ridge feature is leading to some cloudy skies to our northeast and some low clouds, low stratus and fog hanging out around the eastern highlands this morning. But other than that, this will just continue to track in throughout the day. Maybe see some isolated snow flurries out towards our northern and eastern mountain ranges. But other than that, another beautiful weekend out there. And taking a look at the bigger picture for you wise. So again, nice dry air continuing to filter in from the Pacific. Atmospheric river of moisture heading into the Pacific Northwest and up into British Columbia. That's going to keep all that moisture to our north with that ridge in place. Rex block setting up for early next week with an area of low pressure to the south. But overall, breaking over the moisture track for you. This is an integrated vapor transport forecast from the GFS model. Again, keeping the bulk of that atmospheric river and moisture up into British Columbia here all the way into December. So not seeing big changes into early next week as that ridge blocks and sends all of that moisture to our northwest. But heading into late next week, so as we head into Friday, Saturday, Sunday time frame, you can start to see that ridge pattern beginning to break down. GFS showing a little bit more moisture intrusion heading into Washington, Oregon, and Idaho, heading into that December 6th, 7th, and 8th time frame. And that could be the potential for a pattern change, helping to bring some more moisture back to our area. And weather outlook for your next 5 days, nothing to talk about there over the next several days. Just a chance for some isolated snow flurries possible today across our northern and eastern mountain ranges. And again, precipitation forecast over the next 7 days, keeping things very dry here across southeast Idaho. Get rid of some isolated flurries, but other than that, got a beautiful and dry weekend ahead. And here's where the best chance we could expect some flurries out there today. Again, best chances will be up in Montana and into Wyoming, but can't rule out some isolated chances along our border regions. And take a look at temperatures for you over the next 8 days. Cold morning, followed by afternoon highs in those 30s, 40s, and 50s, warming up as we head into early next week. And taking a look at what's to come, 6 to 10 day temperature outlook does keep temperatures above normal heading into December 5th through the 9th. With below normal favored precipitation, again indicative of that ridge of high pressure, with moisture working up and over into the Pacific Northwest and Northern Plains. 8 to 14, not a whole lot of change there. Still keep it with above normal temperatures across the west, with more below normal precipitation expected, but a weak signal there for some more near normal conditions into Washington, northern Idaho, extending just into our area. We'll be tracking to see if that pattern change can hold through heading into late next week. We'll be keeping a close eye on that. That's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome Saturday and stay safe out there.